Okay, here's a quick freeform, I don't know, explanation. So it's already on it's an app that's already on your iPhone and iPad. Right now I'm on my iPad. I like it. I started on my iPhone and then realized it would be best on my iPad. So this is my iPad. And then I made a little template so I could kind of show you what happens, but it's essentially like a forever whiteboard, and you can have it with these dots or you can get rid of those dots. And then like you can zoom out forever, and then when you zoom in, it's like its own thing, you know, so you can like really physically see it. A lot of people use it for mind mapping and for working on projects, but the other thing is you can collaborate with it. So you can go up here and then send it to whoever you want to send it to, and they can edit and do their own thing on it. So you can add post-it notes. I left these in there because you can add pictures, you can add direct links. So this is mine that I made, and it's a template. I can put the link after this, but this is like a practical vision board. I basically needed a brain dump of everything, and then down here, like these are the big ideas up here, and then down here is the to-do list. You're more than welcome to use this. There's also free templates all over. People use it for bullet journaling. There's free templates all over. You can also buy some on Etsy, but you can also make your own and do anything. So you can add different shapes. There's all different kinds of shapes up here. You can add, on this one, you can do photos and videos, stickers. Oh, the stickers are fun. Let me see if I can show you. Like I can add a sticker of Abby. So cute. So you can add anything. You can add direct links, which is really awesome, and resize them. So then this is the text boxes or the post-it, and then the post-it you can resize, and you can also group things together. On this template, I made these lines. Let me just draw here. So I made these lines, these ones, and then I lock them in place so you can't move them, but you can unlock things, you can ungroup things, group things. You can, like I just did, write on it. You can make a presentation, and then let me see if I can find. There's tons of examples of freeform templates and other things you can do with it, but this is a example of a bullet journal that's done on there, and then more, you know, formal business kind of thing, and then just different things. So there's so many different things. The other thing that I wanted to show you is that you can connect things too, and then once you connect them, wherever you move them, they'll always be connected. But so many different things. So hopefully you found this useful. Oh, and I'll put the link to this one if anybody wanted it, but I took all of the personal stuff out of here. I left these tabs at the top. You can change them out to anything that you want and delete them, change the color. Oh, that's the thing too, is like you can change the color on any of these to anything. So change the size. Once you really start getting into it, you just see how much more and more you can do. I had other things too, so I left space if anybody wanted to add any others or take any out or move them around, whatever you wanted to do. Oh, you can also delete this stuff. So this stuff that I wrote on here, you can delete it. You can even like erase it by doing it this way too. So whatever you wanted to do. Okay, bye.